Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype issues. To know how to find the solution about Skype issues, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Skype and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again, and after all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.